Hi, in today's video we are going to learn something on expenses ratio. Now as you can see here we compare sales with two types of expenses. First one is a particular type of expenses and next one is we can consider group of expenses. Now you will ask me what is the difference between operating ratio and expenses ratio. So if you have seen my earlier videos on MSME, then we have appreciated something on operating profit ratio. Now under operating ratio, basically operating cost is only considered, which means only operating cost is only considered or taken into consideration while comparison. But under expenses ratio, we consider each and also group of expenses for comparison basis with sales. So very well we can derive the formula as expenses ratio can be written as expenses ratio equals to expense whatever the company has incurred the expense divided by net sales into 100 to derive at the percentage. So this is the formula for expenses ratio. Now you'll ask me in general what comes under expenses. So basically under expenses, first is cost of goods sold, which comes under expenses. Then you can consider as admin expenses. Admin expenses comes under expenses. Then selling and distribution expenses that you have incurred. Then you can say some specific type of expenses which could vary for different companies. So this is the basic concept of expenses ratio. Now we'll also cover something on net profit ratio. So what is net profit ratio? So we can say that net profit ratio, net profit after tax is compared with net sales. So we can say that under net profit ratio, net profit after tax is what is compared with net sales. So we can derive the formula as therefore net profit equals to net profit after tax divided by net sales into 100. So this would be our formula for deriving the net profit. So two things we have learned. First is expenses ratio and second thing is net profit ratio. Now in our next video we are going to learn on return on investment ratios. Now there are various subcategories under return on investment ratios that we are going to appreciate very soon on our next video. Thank you for watching the video. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.